Alright, so here we have 2 glasses of water, and we're gonna see what happens when we put an egg in the water. Do we have any predictions? Or actually, how about we all do all paper and a pencil? Can you write down your predictions of what's gonna happen when you put that egg in the water? Is it gonna sink? Is it gonna float? Is it gonna bob up and down? Is it gonna maybe float in the middle? Does anyone want to share their prediction?
It's gonna bob up and down.
It's gonna bob up and down. Okay. Anyone else have a different prediction?
It won't float, it won't sink.
It'll float. Okay. Anyone else? Does anyone think it's gonna sink? Sarah? Okay. Let's see what happens. So that egg sinks to the bottom. Now, I have a different cup of water, but this time we're gonna add some salt. Do I have a volunteer who wants to mix the salt in the water? Good job. Alright, now I have a different egg, and can you write down on your piece of paper what you think it'll happen this time? Do you think it'll bob, sink, float, over the middle? Alright, and who wants to share their prediction?
I think it'll float.
You think it'll float? Does anyone else have anything different?
It's gonna bob.
It's gonna bob. Alright, let's see what happens. This time, it floats at the top. And the reason for this is because this one sinks in normal water because it has to do with buoyancy. Buoyancy is the force that lifts objects up in the water. And so the weight, when I put, check this out.
That was close.
As I push the egg in the water, you can see that the water rises. So the weight of the water that rises is the same as the force that lifts up the egg. And so when I added salt over here, I was adding density to the water. I was making it heavier. So then when the egg was pushing down the water, the weight is greater that lifts up the egg. So the buoyancy is greater. Any questions?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you put like anything else in there that'll make it float?
I'm not sure. I haven't tried that.
Sorry, that's cool, but